Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to change region or country on Instagram. To start, open your Instagram application in your mobile device. On Instagram, tap on your profile on the bottom right. On your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper right, and then a pop-up will appear. Now tap on Settings. Once you are in Settings this time, tap on Account. On Account, scroll down, and then go to Switch to Professional Account. In here, you will need to input the basic details on what best describes you as a professional account. In here, if you are a creator or either a business, tap on which one, then click on the next button. Then in here, you'll need to review your contact info. If everything is up to your standards, you can click on Next. But in here, it's important that you change your location so that you'll be able to change your region or country on Instagram. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.